Hello, thank you for watching Advanced Computer Cooling's overview of our patented microprocessor cooling system. The biggest problem faced by server farms and data centers today is the ever-increasing electrical costs of cooling. Our patented system takes liquid cooling to the next logical step by refrigerating the parts that make the heat. This creates greater energy savings and cools CPUs to optimum temperature. Plus, our system is the only one that protects the circuits from condensation. These patents are available for valuation and purchase. Directly refrigerating the parts that make the heat allows you to raise data center temperatures up 20 degrees or more. We eliminate the need for hot aisles and fan walls. Plus, our system allows for greater component density. Our technology goes below dew point, room temperature, to specifically cool the CPUs to optimum temperature, giving maximum electric savings and CPU efficiency. You may achieve 60 to 75% greater electrical savings per server rack. Ours is the only system that provides protection from condensation with patented water barrier and condensation elimination systems while using existing water block equipment. To understand our patents, just think of this simple idea. Imagine the hottest day of summer. Is it cheaper to cool the whole house or one small room? Likewise, is it cheaper to cool the whole data center or just the parts that make the heat? Right now, IBM, Emerson Liebert, and Dell Triton cooling systems save 50% of electric costs by running water through the server systems. Our cooling system takes it to the next logical step by refrigerating the parts that make the heat. Please have your engineers evaluate our systems to calculate how much money your company can save by specifically refrigerating the parts that make the heat and raising the data center temperatures 20 degrees or more. Your engineers may find that you can save upwards of 70 to 75% on your electrical costs, which will help you increase profits and stay ahead of your competition. In a standard system, cooling is done with fans. Lots and lots of inefficient fans. Here's how inefficient they are. This screenshot shows a fan-cooled system with no load. The CPU is already at 111.2 degrees Fahrenheit after only a few minutes. With a 100% load, the fan-cooled temperature jumps up to 172.4 degrees in only 5 minutes. Both IBM and Dell have improved cooling by using water. Its cooling potential is limited because the fluid cannot be colder than room temperature. Otherwise, it passes the dew point and causes condensation. And we all know that water and electrical components don't mix. Our patented system goes the next logical step by using refrigeration to go below the dew point and keep the condensation away from the electronics. The first part is our patented water barrier that protects the circuitry. The second part of the patent is to wick away the condensation generated by the cooling system. Here, we've cranked up the cooling system. If you look at the water block tubes in this photo, you'll see the condensation. This is the same effect you see with a glass of ice water on a hot summer day. In this small-scale demonstration, we've used clear tubes, but in an actual working system, you would use insulated tubing. The condensation then occurs only on the water block itself and is safely wicked away and evaporated out of the system by the ambient heat of all the other components. The setup is straightforward and uses existing off-the-shelf refrigeration technology, a cooling unit, fluid, and a pump. It's efficient and worry-free. Think of your home refrigerator. You plug it in and it runs 24/7 for 10 to 15 years. Our system is very scalable and can be applied to a variety of applications, including military, robotics, or any microprocessor with heat issues. Now you may wonder how much of a difference our system can make. This photo shows the same test system using our patented cooling. At no load, the temperature drops to 59 degrees. Now here is the real value of this patented system. After 1 hour, at a 100% load, the CPU only went to 75.2 degrees. Remember, we are only cooling the parts that make the heat. 2 hours later, the room temperature had gone up to 87.8 degrees, but the microprocessor stayed consistent at 75.2 degrees. Here's a side-by-side comparison. With no load, the fan cooling hit 111.2 degrees, while our patented system only reached 59 degrees. And at 100% load. After 5 minutes, the fan goes to a blistering 172.4 degrees and rising, while our patented system stays at a consistent 75.2 degrees by refrigerating just the parts that make the heat. Our patented cooling system may cut your electrical costs up to 75%, which will help your company stay competitive and increase profits. Please have your engineers evaluate our system to calculate just how much money it can save your company. Thank you for watching the overview of Advanced Computer Cooling's patented microprocessor cooling system. These patents are available for purchase. For more information, please contact Dr. H. Christian Gunderson through our website at advancedcomputercooling.com or email us at drgunderson@advancedcomputercooling.com.